What's the meaning of civil law? Civil law. Civil law.
Civil law. Civil law. Civil law refers to a legal system that primarily deals with private disputes between individuals or organizations. This includes matters such as property rights, contract disputes, and personal injury lawsuits. In a civil law system, judges have the power to interpret laws and apply them to specific cases. The primary goal of civil law is to resolve disputes fairly and impartially, while also promoting social order and stability. Overall, civil law plays an important role in upholding justice and protecting individual rights and freedoms within society.